Make me laugh. Cheer me up. You don't care, do you? About your poor old dad. Hey, you don't care about your old dad, do you? Self, self, self.
Shut your ass.
Shut your ass? How do I do that?
Shut your ass. Hello.
Hello, dear.
Shut your ass. Shut up your ass. You're funny.
You are very funny, darling.
Do you want to come in the road? Come this way.
Hey?
Come on. Come on. Dance. Jiggle fucker. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Come on. It's not coming out my way. It's let you go. Hello. Come in. Don't come in road. You're not getting any more food. Come on. Not going to start with you. Hello, Sherry.
Oh, I've had more of those wankers saying that this is a fake. Can you say anything to them? Like, fuck off, you fucking wanky, twat-faced, bollock-brained morons.
Georgia. Shut up, you all. Don't listen. Right, lucky looky. Stop it. I'm not trying to.
You're not trying to what, darling?
Jaws.
Jars? What's jars?
Shut your mouth. Do you come in and get food? Come on. Come on. Oh. Hello, darling. Hello.
Hello.
Do you want sick? No, no. Right, cool.
Oh, don't.
Do you want this? Do you want? You fat rude. Come on. Hello, fat ass. Shut your heart shut.